Oh no, that's Maya. Was that a hummingbird? Oh man, I wonder if I captured it. Nothing like the country. I used to have a trailer right there. I should have had some shoes on. I could have walked around. Got y'all to it. Well, there we go again. I thought the dog was snoring when I first heard that noise. Oh, it's a bird feeder right there. Oh, I'll be come back. His wings is loud. Oh, there's another bird feeder. Okay, I'm Michelle with her bird feeding. There's another one hanging from the tree. Maybe he'll come back. The dog. It looked like one of them hummingbirds. Y'all hear that? Oh, there we go. But y'all hear that? The sound of the South. So peaceful. Thank you for subscribing. Click like and share. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're a first time viewer.